Yo, what up, YouTube? Another video that came out for you. Know what I'm saying? What's up, y'all? Anyway, today, guys, it finally came in. You know, I got some anime in the background for y'all to see it. You know what I'm saying? But so yeah, guys, it finally came in my package. You know what I'm saying? My pack. I can't let y'all see the number. You know what I'm saying? But the Travis Scott World T from Astro World, not Astro World, but Astronomical thing with Fortnite. You know what I'm saying? So it's in the box. I got some other news for some sneakers, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see y'all some, some facts, you know what I'm saying? Some good facts for y'all to understand, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's make y'all listen. Alright, so this is the bag. This is how the bag looks, you know what I'm saying? Alright, it's the back. If y'all don't know, I got the World T. It's like a bunch of stuff. I'm not rich, so I could've got get everything. But I'm still talking about some other ones, you know what I'm saying? It was like a load of stuff, like the merch and like the astronomical thing. Hold up. Yeah, little, see what? I got the World T medium. Yeah, that black medium, you know what I'm saying? I think was it other colors? I think it was like a tie-dye one, like other color ones, I think. But this one, like, like out of all of them, I was trying to pick one thing that at least good. Out of all, I don't really use this one. All right, so let's see. What I'm gonna look at. Oh, look, y'all. All right, guys. So here it is. It's new shirts. Ooh, it's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Okay. That's the World T. That's the Fortnite map right there. Hold up. That's this from last season though. Yeah, I know it's from last season. This is not the newest season map though, but this is like the Fortnite map like currently. See, this is the what is it again? It's a little like kind of crew thing for the Cactus Jack in the gaming area. It's a little crew thing. This not PlayStation. Let me show you. I'll be forgetting the name of it. It's like complicated to see. Here the back of it. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know what it says "Live in your world, raise in ours." You know what I'm saying? Cactus Jack got raised. I got the whole skin of Fortnite. They got the Travis Scott skin. And this is stuff, like the other people, the companies out making, you know what I'm saying? This is the main Cactus Jet. This is Astronomical. I be forgetting. It is also Cactus Jet beside the game inside Fortnite. Yeah, it's really hard to read, I'm sorry. It's whatever. Yeah, Cactus Jack. Entertainment system. Live your own world, raise in ours. Cactus Jack, little gaming symbol again. www.traviscott.com. And then Cactus Jack software. You know what I'm saying? That Cactus Jack. And then let me show you this part right here. I'm trying to show you this is really real. I got it from actual Cactus Jack website while I was like there for a limited time. It's actually Cactus Jack medium size. I might go ahead and start bumping it right now. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Guys, I gotta say, after putting this shirt on, I look could have gotten a smaller size, like size small. Cause no cap, I like wearing small. I like kind of like the tight feel of it, of like shirts. It kind of have a better fit on me. But also a medium too. And this shirt, it smells really good. Like it smells like that kind of like perfume. That like kind of new shirts be having. Not my, that's not smell. I said perfume. You know what I mean? Like kind of like new smell with like shirts. This came straight out the factory, put in the bag. This is the whole world, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yeah. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna film like a video tomorrow, but today is the 26th, but tomorrow's gonna be the 27th when the video gonna come out. Oh snap, I forgot. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have like some short clips of me like wearing it to see like like bigger space outside how it's gonna look. I'll put like a little drip, like a little drip check. You know what I'm saying? I need to get some more shoes. Okay, I'll make it to this video. But yeah, this is the World T. I put my money on it. I like it. I like it a lot. It was also this other T I seen. I think it was like freaking. I think it was like some stuff on the sleeve. I think it wasn't thinking about something else. That was probably something else. But yeah. This is the Astronomical Fortnite X Travis Scott or Travis Scott X Fortnite. Same thing, all the same thing. Little merch. This is the World T. So let's get to the next topic. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let you guys know that today on the 26th, all right. Today, you know, the Air Jordan 3 Royals, I'm gonna screen right there. It came out today on the 26th. You know what I'm saying? Air Jordan 3 Royals. You know, the special shoes. I'm on I forget what it's called. My bad, y'all. I'm on sneaker news, whatever this website called. That's talk about sneakers, new stuff's coming out. But today, the new Air Jordan 3 Royals that came out, and then also tomorrow when the video gonna come out, the new Air Jordan 11 lows gonna come out. I ain't gonna show you like on the screen, it's gonna be on the screen right there. But yeah, those, and also the Nike Dunk Lows SP comes out on July. Oh my god, I'm so tired, so weird. All right, July the 1st. Come on, July the 1st. I'm not really that much a bigger fan of it. It's straight. Only one I really actually rock would probably be the Air Jordan 3 Royals, or probably the Air Jordan 11 Royals. I don't know. I want to let you guys know about those because it's like they're really close. And freaking, by the time this video uploaded, Air Jordan 3 Royals and Air Jordan 11 Lows are already out. So yeah, I want to let you guys know about that. And then my new crush, bro, are the new. Oh my god, I'm so slow. All right, it's the Off-White Jordan 4s, Off-White Jordan 4 sales. I love it a lot. It looks really good. I'll be on screen right there. I posted on my Instagram story. I really want those, no cap. But I don't have enough money. Those are really expensive. They're freaking made from Virgil Abloh. You know, his work of art be like really good. I like this shirt a lot. Really good. But yeah. You know, Virgil be making a lot of heat stuff, you know, like the Off-White Jordans and all those, like the ones. You know, the Off-White ones, all that. But yeah. Anyways, all I'm trying to say is, it's supposed to be some kind of convention where those come out, and like you can have like his actual like Virgil name is signed on the shoe, like on the side of the shoe, and then like the convention. And it would be like about like 20 bands, 20K, you know what I'm saying? And then for restock, it probably would be like 40 bands, 40K. Take over. Yep. This should get to now. All right, my bad, guys. Also, I forgot for a minute that the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGs, the tie-dyes, you know, the tie-dyes is getting right there. They came out today. You should go after them, you know what I'm saying? Now, out of all the shots, I probably will get these out of all of them. Yeah, I'll probably get these out of all of them, you know what I'm saying? And then, freaking, I've got about these right here, these ones right here, you know what I'm saying? These come out next month, on 7 to the 2nd of July. I got it right, June. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's the Air Jordan 14 Gym Red, you know what I'm saying? Air Jordan 14 Gym Red. They gonna come out soon. I'm not really a fan of it. It might look better in real life. I don't really like it so far by the looks of it. I don't know really it. But anyways, that should be it for all the news, you know what I'm saying? That's everything basically. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for saying too much, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Let me see. Also, don't forget these are some of the other Fortnite merch. I might show them like on the screen that I didn't get. I got the World Tee right here. Those are other ones I didn't get, but you know you can't even get them no more. I mean, you can still get them, but it'll be really expensive. I think this should cost like $80 now. I think on the website, but I'm not down the website, but on some like. You know those websites you can get like rare shirts. This is gonna be rare now. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna play like a good a little short thing of me wearing the shirt. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching this video. Of course, you got like, subscribe, still awesome. Thank you guys for watching this. Please give me the 300 subs by the end of the summer. Share this video. Let your friends know about me. You know, 30K Mafia. You know what I'm saying? Also, let me know if you like my setup. I mean, like a good, you know, like setup for like videos like this, like story times, stuff like that. Also, I decided to make it like dark. I like it dark, more no cap. Yeah, you know, I get something playing right here. You know, you look at that. Got my computer. You know, it's a new setup. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, stay on watching the video. Let's go.